I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop ChatGPT from saving your chat history. Maybe you share a single ChatGPT account with other users, and you don't want those people being able to see your conversations. Or maybe you're researching something sensitive and you don't feel comfortable with having that information live on OpenAI's servers where someone could access it. No matter the reason, OpenAI makes it easy for you to stop ChatGPT from saving your chat history when using the service. Now let's walk through the steps to stop ChatGPT from saving your chat history. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to https://chat.openai.com and then log into your account if prompted. You'll land on your ChatGPT home screen. Step 2. Find your ChatGPT account name in the lower left corner of the screen and then click the ellipses next to your account name. A menu is displayed directly above your account name. Step 3. Click Settings in this menu. The Settings menu opens. Step 4. Find Data Controls and then click Show next to Data Controls. Data control options are shown in the lower part of the Settings menu. Step 5. Find Chat History and Training and then click to toggle that option off. From this point forward, your ChatGPT chats won't be saved in your history or used for training the OpenAI models to improve. Additionally, unsaved chats will be deleted by OpenAI in their entirety within 30 days. Step 6. Close the Settings menu. You'll return to your ChatGPT home screen where you'll notice the appearance of the menu on the left has changed. Specifically, you'll see a note at the top of this menu letting you know that your ChatGPT history is turned off and that you aren't able to open any of your previous chats. Don't worry, all of your previous chat data is safe and will be accessible again after you re-enable chat history. You can turn your chat history back on at any time by clicking the Enable Chat History button in the menu on the left side of the screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.